what's going on, guys? This is Cameron here with KynLi Accounting, and we are on video number 2 of our How to Audit Proof Your Marketing Agency in a New World series. All right, this one is kind of, I don't know, some people may say it's deep. I personally don't think so, but you know, I do this all the time. All right, this one is huge, like huge. Pay attention. Are you ready? Every single month you need to have financials. Well, why is that, Cameron? I mean, I can just keep it on the sheet. Sure, but if you were to get audited, if you were to, I don't know, need an investor, or I don't know, get a PPP loan, or in Small Business Association, aka SBA loan, or you need more capital, guess what's the first thing they ask for? Your financial records. Guess what the second thing they ask for is? Your tax return, which is made up of all of the things from your financial records. So financials are so important. I know it can seem complicated. I know it can seem overwhelming. What is a balance sheet? I don't know what all these categories are. I think I know what an income statement is, but I'm not sure what goes where. And you have credit card expenses on there, and you have some craziness. I've seen a lot of different things. You need to have financials ran and saved. We talked about that in the first video, every single month in your own file. So that way, whenever there starts to become questions of how did you get this? How did you get that? You have everything right there, and you know it's accurate and you know it's correct. You need to have the bank reconciliation completed to ensure that you haven't missed any income or revenue, or to make sure that accounts just stop working, because that happens as well. Financials are the lifeblood. That's like the English language of business, right? Any investor, if they want to put money into your business, they're going to say, let me see your financials. They want to know what's your cash flow looking like. How much are you keeping in cash on a monthly basis? How much revenue did you make last year? And these are questions that each and every week when I do marketing diagnostics for people, people can't answer this question. Or my favorite answer, I'm not sure. I know what's in there, but I don't think it's right. That defeats the whole purpose of having financials, guys. If you have an accountant on your team, they should be breaking this down for you. They should be able to explain it, and they should be empowering you, so that way you would be able to explain this to a random guy off the street, to an auditor, to the IRS, to your bank loan officer, whoever needs to know, because that's what gets people more money, more capital, and the ability to spend more, which also means the ability to grow more. All right, so please do not skip that step. I know so many agencies and so many companies that are like, oh, we're growing, we're in the growth phase, and that's great. But if I ask you what was your revenue last year, and you're like, I don't know, I think I did around. No, because then that means come tax time, you're not going to know, which means you're going to have to pay more taxes, and you see how we keep going in the negative direction. We don't want that for you. So hopefully you found this tip to be amazing and helpful. If you have any more questions, please contact us. Go to KynLiAccounting.com. Also, don't forget that we're doing our marketing agency diagnostic review, where we're reviewing your accounting for you. We're going to sit down, look at everything, and we're going to come back and give you tangible steps saying, hey, this is what's wrong, this is what needs to be fixed, and this is why it's important to fix that. So as always, we thank you guys so much for tuning in. We hope that you really found this video to be informative, and we will see you on the next video of this series. All right, guys, see ya. When trouble comes, it falls away so quickly now. Your faith so fragile, it's like the seed that fell in the thorns or weeds. When worry comes, it chokes it, you can't be free. Your faith so fragile, it's like seed planted on rocky ground. When trouble comes, it